Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, answering a question submitted by a student. This is a student who's taking pre-calculus and is just now learning about vectors. Well, this has to do with something called a dot product, and I'm going to show you how that works. First, I'm going to take the vector u here, and I use a little vector symbol. And I'm just going to write it this way. It's just going to be a lot easier for us to work with. 7, 1, like this. And then v is going to be 1, -3. This vector I is just the unit vector. So it has coordinates of 1, 0. J is the other unit vector, 0, 1. So I can just write it like that. And then W is equal to 3, 2, like that. So now we want this expression u, and I'm going to put a dot here. I think they just didn't have a dot in the v plus w. And we use the same order of operations here. Parentheses come first. So I'm going to leave this u. I'm going to leave the dot here. And v plus w, you can see why I wrote it this way, because we can stack it nice and easily. So it's going to be 4, -1. And these are special corners here on the bracket. So you see we just added the horizontal coordinate and then the vertical coordinates, 4, -1. Okay, so that's equal to this thing. And then I'm just going to put the u here, 7, 1. Dot 4, -1. That's why they call it a dot product. So there's a dot there, and it's just going to be 7 times 4 plus 1 times -1. So it's just going to be 27. And that's all there is to it. It's very, very simple. And shouldn't have any trouble doing this. Okay, so that's it. This dot product is just the beginning of, as I said, of vectors. You're going to be learning a lot of things about vectors. And it's important that you get this right and you understand it, because it's used over and over with vectors. One nice way to remember it is that a dot product will always result in a scalar, in a constant here, the way it did here. And that it does not result in another vector, it just results in a scalar. Whereas addition and subtraction of vectors result in another vector. The result there produces a vector. But for multiplication, for the dot product, it produces a scalar value. Okay, I hope that was helpful to you, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.